to find the right channel.
Hey, yo, bad boy, let me hear something. And I'm impatient. I'm paper chasing. These niggas hating. These niggas snaking.
It's your boy Smitty, wicked ass killer, you feel me? You ain't getting this foot, your barber can't cut.
I lost my dog, you left me broken. Feeling all this pain, I can't control it. Smoking all this dope to keep me focused. And you know that gang, we push emotion. No, and they gon' slide up on your block, and I'ma slide up on theirs. Got some shooters on the roof, I see your shooters upstairs. Niggas clueless and ratatouille, got a stick and get ruined. Pick up the phone and call my number if you tryna get to it. And I'm intoxicated, my head hurt. This lean got me feeling like I'm see, I was snake, but my main focus is to stay solid. How the fuck I'm supposed to win when I keep losing? They took my dog, I lost it all, they left me cool. Just keep your head up, just be a soldier. Just stack your bread up, don't let them fold up. These niggas be hating, false allegations. I see the paper, not chasing. On my girl, I take my time because I'm basically waiting.
Hey, how they say that, man? One out of two, man. Big thing, you understand me? We ain't getting no butt, boy, we can't cut.
I'm paper chasing, I'm staying waiting. I'm paper chasing, cause I'm a soldier.
Wow, what the business is, man. I hope that intro got y'all hype, bruh. Oh, yeah, man, I'm lit right now. But, hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Sit down, relax, grab some snacks, and let's get into this tutorial, bro. So, we got a bald fade, man. And I'm just taking my brush. Usually, whenever I have finer hair like this, I like using a brush versus a comb to make the hair lay down better. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, like whenever you get in lower, like I said, he likes his hair a little bit lower, more like a skin fade. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you how to stretch and manipulate that fade out. Alright, first thing you wanna do, pull out your clippers and we're gonna make our initial guideline, okay? We not gonna ball out with the trimmers just yet. We just gonna clean up with the trimmers, you know what I'm saying? Because if you start off with the trimmers, it's gonna make it harder for you to take that ball line out. Yeah, so using this technique right here, it feel like it gives me more comfort. It gives me more room to maneuver, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't like going initially with the trimmers because I feel like it's too basic, or you know what I'm saying? Like, I'd rather do that last, you know what I'm saying? Like, clean up, and it's more work you have to do. It takes longer to try to erase those lines that you can't get out. And also with his type of hair, bro, he has like really fine hair, so it's gonna be really hard to get that out with a trimmer, you know what I'm saying? To get that trimmer line out. And you know what? I thought about it. I'm like, man, I haven't done this in a while, so let me go ahead and do a cleanup with my trimmers and just challenge myself. So here we go. All right, so on this side, I just shaped it out. I love how the structure looks. This looks like it's gonna be a great fade. Alright, make sure y'all spray off y'all clippers, man, and then pop the level down. And so he has a feature on his head, which is, it's a mold, bro. So look, I'm gonna go up right above it. I say that's probably about an inch. He does a really high fade, so I think that's good numbers, okay? We're gonna stick around it right above it, okay? Keep a good structure, keep a good foundation for your fade. That lever open, bro, is gonna help you stretch that fade out and make it most blurry as possible, bro. Do that all around the head, bro. All right, once you completed that, it's time to move on to the next step, bro, which is blending. Watch how beautiful this comes out. I want y'all to take y'all one guard and attack that dark guideline, okay? So the key is we're gonna attack it really, really softly until it blurs out, and we want it to match that bottom guideline. You get what I'm saying? I hope this helps y'all, man. I hope this technique helps y'all learn something new. I hope it improves your skills, everything, bro. All right, now we are ready to move on, which is the lever close, and we still have that one guard, and we are lightly attacking that guideline, okay? So lightly attacking is the plan right here. Make sure that you don't create any other guidelines, because then now we gotta move that fade up. So make sure you're taking your time. I also have clips where I show you guys how to properly hold the clipper, flick from your fingertips, use your wrist, you know what I'm saying, different type of things. This right here, I'm just using my 0.5 guard and I'm going up and down as needed, bro. We still attacking that dark initial. Well, that's considered not our initial. So this will be our secondary guideline. So I'm attacking that secondary guideline with that 0.5, just up and down as needed. Slightly flicking, you know what I'm saying, showing y'all the motion. Let's get it, bro. 2025, bro, is gonna be a great one, okay? I hope that I create great barbers. I hope that you can get better from your craft just by watching me, you know what I'm saying? Hope that I can inspire you to become a better barber. Hold your clipper firmly, but not tight, okay? Hold it with a nice grip and just go straight up. Straight up, flick out. Hit that line, straight up, flick out. Straight up, flick out. That's how we doing it, you hear me? And it's gonna help you, bro. I promise you. It's gonna take out those guidelines so well. It's just the key of just building patience, bro. And then also use a different clipper, use a different tool. Different tools, bro, they can do different things, and some can get lines out that others can't, which they all have different blades. They have different type of trimmers, clipper blades, anything you can think of. They all have a specific meaning. So all I'm doing right here is just fading out. I'm fading out the bottom, that initial guideline. Now I'm ready. You know what I'm saying? The fade is not completely done. So I'm gonna sit here and take my time and literally pick out every single thing that I see, because that's what type of barber I am. You know what I'm saying? I believe in quality. My clients pay me top dollar because of this. They love that I show appreciation, and I want to get their haircut as perfect as possible. The amount of detail you put into something, bro, I guarantee people will love you, love your craft just because of that. Alright, so this is just detail work. I might not even use the whole blade. So this is my Babyliss trimmers. Hey, I'm literally thinking about switching to a different brand, but I just don't know which ones I want to switch to yet. Bro, Babyliss is crazy, bro. Like, the quality over the years, to me, I don't know, man. It just haven't been given, you know what I'm saying? I want something different, bro. Drop in the comments what y'all think that I should switch to. Any type of content y'all want to see on a new brand, or something, unboxing, you know what I'm saying? Something different, bro. Let me know in the comments and I got y'all. So we're cleaning up on this side, and I switched it up a little bit differently just to see how it would come out. On this side of the head, I used a different blade, and it's kind of similar, kind of softer, but it's definitely a difference. Also, hair does grow differently on each side of the head, so his hair grows in a different direction on this side than it does on the other. And it looks good, honestly, it looks good. I do apologize about my camera, my light being too bright, so I gotta work on that too, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, man, I kind of downgraded, but it's okay, you know what I'm saying? New things are coming, better camera quality, better audio. Alright, so lineup prep wasn't really needed on this one, you know, because it's already there for you. He has a really small lineup, so you gotta be really, really careful, especially with the hairstyle. Some guys, you know what I'm saying, I don't recommend getting your hair twisted or braided up into the hairline, because it can really stress out your hairline, and you know what I'm saying, it'll begin receding. But in this case, this is not the case, okay? So, but make sure that you are centered, make sure that you are looking dead smack in the middle, bro, and focus. Take your time lining this man up on each side. Get it even. Make sure you're respecting their natural hairline. I always preach this. Respect the hairline and you'll be okay. Your clients love it. You love it. You know what I'm saying? It'll be better work for you, okay? It'll grow back correctly. You can tell whenever you push back someone, the grow back will be ugly. I promise you. And you don't want that. Alright, so just taking my white Babyless triples. What the hell? What the hell? Taking my white Babyless clippers and just patting, bro. Lightly. Look at that. Look how he has that glow, bro. Look at that. That's crazy. Nice skin fade. Spin him around. Nice skin fade, Jeremy. Hey, man, y'all tap in, bro. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all. Check out my previous video, man. We turning up. I got new content coming. I love y'all. Catch y'all in the next video.